Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat Kitchen. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this video I will show you how to make chocolate cake using a gas cooker and a pressure cooker. So let's get to know the ingredients required for this recipe. The ingredients are 6 eggs, 250 grams butter, 250 grams flour, all-purpose flour, 250 grams sugar, 20 grams cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. So start by preparing your pressure cooker by brushing oil at the bottom and on the sides. And then place a grease-proof paper and brush oil on top. And then put the pressure cooker aside and continue the preparation of the cake. So in a blender add 250 grams butter, sugar and eggs. 250 grams of sugar and 6 eggs. So after adding all the 3 ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth. And then pour the mixture into a bowl and add flour gradually as you keep on mixing and also as you keep on sifting. Sifting helps to get rid of the lumps. So keep on adding flour until it's over, and also add baking powder at this point. And you can also add vanilla essence if you like, it's optional. And then add cocoa powder and mix well. As you can see, the batter is ready. Now transfer it into the pressure cooker. And then cover your pressure cooker and remember to remove the nozzle. And then place it in a preheated pan. Preheat this pan on high flame for 5 minutes and then place the pressure cooker. And then bake your cake for around 30 to 40 minutes or until when a toothpick inserted comes out clean. And remember to bake it on a very low flame. As you can see, the cake is ready. So remove your cake from the pressure cooker and also remove the grease-proof paper and let your cake cool completely before cutting it. As you can see, the cake is very well cooked and also very soft. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Farwat Kitchen.